Welcome back. So with everything going on right now, you're going to be spending a lot of time at home. So it's the perfect time to really dig in and get to that spring cleaning. Joining us now is General Manager of 1-800-GOT-JUNK, Andy Majors. And I think most people are like me, right? Obsessively wiping off countertops right now, just really focused on cleaning. So why is now such a good time to do that deep clean and also remove some of that junk we've been piling up, I don't know, for months or maybe years?
Right. Well, first of all, thank you for having us here. And secondly, spring cleaning is a time to just get space back. Spring cleaning has a new name, quarantine cleaning. Obviously,
I like that. You're clever.
Yep.
You're working with it.
Quarantine cleaning. So obviously, you talked about wiping down everything. Being in the home, your ceilings are shrinking on you, walls are shrinking on you. So that's a great opportunity to get space back. And our team at 1-800-GOT-JUNK is a perfect team to give you that space back by taking everything pretty much underneath the sun, except for a few items, but we can discuss that at a later time.
Okay, so let's dive into who 1-800-GOT-JUNK is, and maybe also some of the different things that you've done. Let's say people are like, I maybe don't want some strangers, even though you're not a stranger, so to speak, but other people entering into my home. What are some extra steps you guys have taken?
Right. First off, we're just the world's largest junk removal service. So any unwanted junk we get rid of. Obviously right now it's a hard time for a lot of people, and they're a little reluctant to have some of us on site. So we've introduced some measures. As far as we don't have to have any contact with customers, which is a big thing, So,
are you using FaceTime? What are you doing?
We can get on FaceTime. We can take pictures of things that are in the home. If they don't want us in home, they can stage their items, unwanted items outside. Whether it's in the garage, out back, out front. They don't necessarily even have to be on site for us to take those things away. But we're showing a lot of empathy, and we're doing our proper steps to make sure our team is healthy, and we do everything to make sure our customers are healthy and safe as well.
Okay, so how can we get a jump start on this spring cleaning or quarantine cleaning? Because that can sometimes be the biggest hurdle to get over, right? People are like, I've got all this stuff and I don't know where to start.
Yeah, honestly, it's just start identifying the areas you want back. Springtime is all about, creating something new. So whether it's in the crawl space, whether it's in the attic, whether it's outside, identify those areas. And, just if you want that space back, call us up, because basically if you point at something, we'll make those things disappear. We're fully licensed, fully insured to go anywhere. So I think that's a great start.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense. And you mentioned something about what items you do take.
Yep.
What items do you take?
We take everything, pretty much. There's 3 things we don't take: wet paint, gas, and motor oil. Everything else we'll take, and we have a nice, friendly home for those things. And we do a really, really good job of recycling and donating and keeping as much as we possibly can out of the landfills.
Okay, and you guys can be there almost immediately.
Pretty much. We're still working right now. A lot of places aren't, but we have a full team out every single day, and within 90 minutes, we'll be at your doorstep ready to assist you and exceed your expectations.
Got it. Well, thank you so much, Andy. If you feel like the walls are closing in, you can actually hire a crew to come to your home and haul stuff away. Just call 1-800-GOT-JUNK and make an appointment. You can also get more information online at 1-800-GOT-JUNK.com.